Alright, tonight we're going to be talking about Unit 4, Lesson 1 on page 97. And it's reviewing quadrilaterals and types of lines. This is more just a quick review for a lot of us, because we're starting to understand what a quadrilateral is, which a quad means 4. So quad equals 4. And lateral means sides. So a quadrilateral would be 4 sides. And I have some of the drawings 1 through 4 on here. And what we're looking for is which one is a quadrilateral and which one is not. Then we're also going to label what the shape is. So number 1, is that a quadrilateral? Well, the question is, does it have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a quadrilateral, so we're just going to put a Q in there. What else is this shape? Well, rectangle, for it to be a rectangle, both opposite sides have to be equal or parallel. So this one is equal to this one? Yes. Is this one equal to this one? And the answer is yes. So we'll put 2 lines there and 1 line each way there. It represents that 1 line represents that they're equal lines. The 2 lines represent they're both equal that way. So it is a rectangle. We also want to know if it's anything else. And one other thing we do have parallel lines, so that would make it a parallelogram. So we're going to put a P for parallelogram. And that's kind of what we're going to be doing with the rest of them. Number 2, is that a quadrilateral? Does it have any sides? No, it's an oval. So if that's an oval, it has no sides. So it is not a quadrilateral. It's not a rectangle, it's not a square, it's not a rhombus. So he's nothing. Number 3 is the question, is that a quadrilateral? And the answer would be 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral. And next we have to ask, is it a parallelogram? These sides are not parallel because at some time they're going to meet and cross. These are not parallel because they're not the same length. So it's not a parallelogram. Is it a rectangle? Well, to be a rectangle, going back to number 1, we have to have the same sides, have to be equal. So the side, the top, and the bottom. The 2 sides are equal, but the top is not equal to the bottom. So that would not be a rectangle. A square says all 4 sides must be equal. Well, we already disproved rectangle, so we can disprove a square. And a rhombus is a square that's slanted. That is somewhat slanted, but not like a square, because a square, again, has to be all 4 sides. So he is only a quadrilateral. Number 4, same thing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral, but it will not be anything else. It's just going to be the quadrilateral. So tonight we're just going to look at which one is a quadrilateral, which one is a parallelogram, a rectangle, and a square. And I want you to do number 5 through 12 on your own at home, and we'll discuss them tomorrow in class. And then we can also start talking a little bit more about the perimeter of the shape as well, again, so that way we're more prepared for the test next week. And that's all you have tonight. So you've been flipped.